It's double pills in the front. And the two boys, the parakeets, in the background. It's tough with that shadow now. Let's see, I'm trying to see who's who. Tough to see who's who. But we're glad they're here. Those parakeets, I'm sure they'd be scared to death of these two. Alright, he's sticking that tongue out and the whole deal there, huh, buddy? Or Missy, I can't see. The other one's still kind of in the shadow, but we'll stay with this guy, or girl. Yeah. That tongue of theirs is something. He's moving, alright. That's it, work on that big cake, that's a slow mover. That's it. That's a slow mover. And of course at the bottom is, oh, there was the grackle waiting for the falling pieces. Alright, a little late July on Lake Bellaire, inside and outside. Alright everybody, be safe out there.